there. In this tutorial I'm going to discuss about RHEL 0. So in the concept video we will learn about RHEL and what are the RHEL versions Linux supports, and especially we are going to configure it in a RHEL operating system. So as RHEL 0 basically use two hard disks, and basically their blocks will be on separate basis, means block 1, block 2, block 3, block 4, block 5, block 6, block 7, block 8. It won't provide redundancy, but it speed up the operation because the what we just insert the data in one hard disk and then another hard disk and the third and fourth. So basically these the database were copied in a strip form, but it saved the data random wise, so it basically speed up the our operations. So with fdisk-l we able to understand about the partition we created. Now with those partitions we will create one RHEL partition, and with that we will create RHEL 0. So mda dm, this is the command line tool we use for creating RHEL. Dash hyphen hyphen create space slash dev, and the name of the RHEL label, for example md0. This is what wants to give. You can give anything, md0 1 2 3, whatever you want to. Level we use so hyphen hyphen level we use is 0 because we're creating RHEL 0, and space hyphen hyphen RHEL hyphen devices. So minimum 2 hard disks is required for implementing RHEL 0, and since it won't provide your redundancy, that's the reason it basically won't provide the fault tolerance. So RHEL devices currently, for example, wants to use the 3 partitions, minimum 2 is required. Now the partition we were going to use is space slash dv slash sdb1 space slash sdb dv slash sdc1 and sdd1. So this is the space we wants to use from the hard disk. 3 hard disks we are using is sdb, sdc and sdd. Okay, so you can see the array is starting, and now we just created RHEL, but it's not yet started, so we have to make some changes. We have to give some commands. So if you want to see the details about the RHEL 0, then you can see, and the command will be mda-dm. This is a command line too, and each and every RHEL will implement with this command only. So almost all RHEL commands are same. We just need to make some changes, otherwise the basic commands are very much same. So with the mda-dm we will create another RHEL or whatever it was you wants to give, you can give. Now with mda-dm I just want to check the details of the RHEL 0 we created. So slash dev slash md0. Now you can see RHEL label is 0 and the array size is 279. Total of what these 3 partitions were providing: RHEL devices 3, total devices 3, slate clean, active devices 3, failed device 0. So all 3 device databases available. Then we just want to clear it. Now what we require is to now we have to format that, right? So mkfs dot extension 4, we want to format the device. We want to format the operation with extension 4, and the name of the device, so /dev/md0. So format is done. So we already learned about how to format the Persian in the past. So this is how we format. Okay, now clear. Now it's time to mount. We already learned about the basic because you can't use those red unless not mount. So as of now it didn't mount. Now we have to create a directory, name red. You want to give anything, it's up to you. Now the command is mount space slash dv/sdb1 is the name of the red, so it's md0 space slash red, and we mounted /dv/md0 to red. Now you can see /dv/md0 on red type is mounted. So mount space /dv/md0 and it's mounted to red. Now what exactly we need to do, we have to unmount. For example, in near future wants to destroy, then what are you going to do? So we want to delete that. So first step is to unmount it, and the second step is to delete that device, the partition is created, and the red partition we created. So first we need to unmount. So the command is umount and /dv/md0. So umount /red, where our partition is actually mounted. So currently no database is available, so it's unmount. Now what we're going to do is mount is mdadm dash hyphen stop space /dev/md0. So you can see md0 is no more available, the red label is no more available, and those portions are now free. You can use those for any reasons. Now you can check mdadm hyphen details space /dv sorry, I think I made a typo. It should be md0, not mdo0. So md0. So you can see cannot open, no such file or directory, because we just unmounted it and we just stopped it, so that red levels will stop working. So hope you learned something about how to create RHEL in RHEL.